Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Exchange and Wallet. First, begin by creating your Binance account with a valid email or phone number. Next, complete the essential identity verification process to access all platform features and increase your transaction limits. Crucially, enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, right after registration to protect your assets from unauthorized access. This foundational step is vital for a secure and compliant trading experience on the platform. Once your account is set up, navigate to the exchange interface to begin trading. The spot trading section allows you to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies directly. You can place a limit order to specify the exact price you wish to buy or sell at, ensuring your trade executes only when that price is met. Alternatively, use a market order for immediate execution at the best available current price, offering speed and convenience for quick transactions. Binance offers several wallets to manage your digital assets effectively. Your spot wallet is where your main trading funds reside, holding the cryptocurrencies you actively buy and sell. The funding wallet is ideal for peer-to-peer transactions and participating in flexible savings products. When withdrawing funds, always double-check the asset, network, and destination address to ensure your transaction reaches the correct recipient securely and without errors. Beyond basic trading, Binance provides advanced features like staking and savings, allowing you to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings. You can also participate in launchpad projects to get early access to promising new tokens. For paramount security, always maintain two-factor authentication on your account and remain vigilant against phishing scams. Never share your login credentials or private keys with anyone to protect your valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.